So I'm going to show you here how to open the pool. This is how the pool, you should leave it every time you're done using it at night. Rain's out, you want the rain to hit on the cover. That blue thing there is a pump. It's plugged in over here by the grill to that outlet. And that hose is what removes the water. And it's sent out over into the wash over here. You can also put the hose inside the skimmer basket if you want. That will take water off the cover, send it back into the pool, back through the filter, perfectly clean, perfectly safe. The filter will take care of it. Filter's over there, behind all the skip laurels over there. I'll show you that in a minute. So what you do is you take the pump off the pool with the cord. It's got an auto float in it, so it'll only activate when you need it. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to open up the pool cover. Okay? Pool cover is opened by the house here. I've always left this key in it. So if I didn't, I would probably lose it. So open. If I can open, you can see the engine is out there, is opening the pool cover up. And since it rained last night, there's going to be some residual water. Okay, so I'm not going to close it or open it, I'm sorry, all the way. I'm going to leave it there so the water will pool right underneath the water or the diving board. And then I'm going to put this pump back on it because it's got to take that water off. Okay. It sits there for a second or two and then it will activate because the pump itself will detect that there's water. And you should see at some point here it's starting to push water back out into the wash. Usually you just have to wait a second, it'll figure itself out. Okay, so while that's working, you see here we've got the cleaner in the bottom of the pool. That's called the Polaris cleaner. The pool company can repair that if it ever breaks. Be super gentle with it. It's pretty durable. We've only had 2 of those in 15 years, but they're a small little plastic machine and it can break. Okay, it's plugged into the side here. It's really hard to take that out when it's running because there's water being pushed through that tube, through that, and then what it does is it goes around the bottom and it picks up the leaves that may collect. Even when the pool is covered, leaves will collect down there. I don't know how that happens, but it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up and we're going to turn the cleaner off, which you can do from the house. Cleaner. Cleaner is off. And now the cleaner's not running. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that out, roll up my sleeve all the way up, drop my phone in. And I'm looking at it upside down, of course, but I'm going to turn it so that this head here turns this way. Okay, lefty loosey. Sometimes you have to shake it a little bit. Dislodges it from the threads a little bit. Shake it a little bit gently, and you pull it out. And then we extract this from the water slowly. If my kids were going to just swim in the pool, I would just leave it over by the side, over by the grill. If I was going to have a party, I might tuck it in underneath the grill over there so so that nobody could see it. And I would do the same on this pump here. Okay, we'll come back over to the pump. I can hear the pump. You might not be able to hear it, but it's running. Water is slowly being sucked off this cover and pushed over into the washer over there. And then it's pretty clean, not perfectly clean. To get all those extra little leaves that are floating out there, I can see them. I don't know if you can or not. I would use a skimmer. Okay, the skimmer is this guy here. That guy. And I just go around and maybe a couple laps around the pool, and I would extract all those extra leaves so the pool was even cleaner than it is now. Okay. Perfectly swimmable. I keep the pool at 87 degrees. Kids like it that way. If I have it any colder, they don't want to swim in it. The pool cover keeps it really warm without having to be heated up constantly during the summer. And yeah, so if I don't do that, they won't want to swim in it. Okay, this is the spa here. In order to get this ready to go, you just fold half or 2/3 of the cover over and move it over back behind these plants here, these trees, shrubs, and then the other piece, don't lean them up against these planters. If you put it against the planter itself is two pieces, it could knock off the top and actually roll into the pool, and that's a mess. You'd have to empty the entire pool in all likelihood to get these pieces out, especially if they broke. Same with glass. You never want to have glass near the pool, same reason.